Alright, folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a DIY project that's gonna make your farming life a whole lot easier. And maybe even a little bit cooler. We're building a custom plow attachment from scrap metal. Yep, you heard that right. We're talking about taking those rusty old bits and pieces and turning them into something seriously useful. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm no engineer. Trust me, neither am I. But that doesn't mean we can't get our hands dirty and create something awesome. So, what do we need? Well, first off, scrap metal. Hit up your local junkyard, check behind the shed, or raid your neighbor's pile of forgotten treasures. Look for things like angle iron, steel plates, maybe even an old car spring, anything that looks strong and can be repurposed. Safety first, of course. Grab your safety glasses, gloves, and a welding mask, because sparks are gonna fly, and we don't want any accidents. Next, we need some tools. A welder is pretty essential for this project. Unless you're feeling extra crafty with bolts and rivets, you'll also want a grinder with various discs for cutting and smoothing, a drill with different sized bits, a measuring tape, a level, and a good old-fashioned hammer. Oh, and don't forget a paint sprayer and some weatherproof paint to give your new plow a professional look. Now, for the fun part, the design. Let's keep it simple. We're not aiming for perfection here, we're aiming for functionality. First, we need to figure out how to attach the plow to your tractor or ATV. This will vary depending on your equipment, but most likely involves a 3-point hitch or a simple bracket system. Once you've got that figured out, start sketching out the plow blade itself. Think about the angle, the curve, and the width. The goal is to design a blade that will effectively cut through the soil, turning it over neatly. After you've got your basic design, it's time to start cutting and welding. Measure twice, cut once, as they say. Weld the pieces of the plow blade together, ensuring a strong, secure bond. Use the grinder to smooth out the welds and give it a clean finish. Then, build the frame that will connect the plow blade to your attachment system. This is where the angle iron and steel plates come into play. Make sure the frame is sturdy and well supported, so it can handle the stress of plowing. Once the frame is built and the blade is attached, it's time to test it out. Mount the plow on your tractor or ATV and head out to the field. Start slow and easy, gradually increasing the depth of the plowing. You may need to make some adjustments to the angle or the blade design. Don't be afraid to experiment. That's the beauty of a DIY project. Finally, give your new plow a coat of paint. This will not only make it look great but also protect it from the elements. And there you have it, folks. A custom-built plow attachment. Made from scrap metal. Not bad, huh? So, get out there, get creative, and start plowing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY projects. Until next time, happy farming!